So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 13th of April. Now let's just have a look at price and where prices may likely go. So previously form resistance in around at 107.32, trade as high as the 107.50s, pretty close to 107.50s. So ourselves have momentum tested 106.94. We've came down, tested the 200 period moving average, found support, broke back above the 106.94, tested 107.32, broke back down towards the 200 period moving average. Again, we found supporting around 200 period moving average, a couple of tests. We also had a resistance above us at 106.94. Had a bit of a price contraction here. We broke out to the upside. I was kind of expecting a break to the downside, but we broke out to the upside instead. Pretty strong break of the 106.94. We've had this move up towards that 107.32, again an area which we previously found resistance. We had a brief pullback here. We're now seeing a break retest of the 107.32. We do appear to be holding the 107.32. So the very next levels that we are looking at here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen is moves up towards that 108.13. The very next major level marked out here in red. It is quite a bit away from where we are at present, and there hasn't been quite a lot of volatility here on the US dollar Japanese yen. But 108.13 is the next major level that we are looking at, and if the volatility persists and we do see the continuation of this upside trend, we're looking for price to move up towards that 108.80, and beyond 108.80 we're looking for price to move up towards that 109.50. Those are pretty much levels that we are looking at here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, we're looking to see if 107.32 does hold as a potential support. If we don't find support at 107.32, we're looking for price to head back down towards our 106.94. And beyond 106.94, we're likely to have, in around 106.94, we're likely to have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, which has acted as previously as support. So we do have the 200 period moving average confluence in around at 106.94, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a potential bullish bounce from this 106.94 back up towards our 107.32. If we do see sufficient volatility, however, to break the 200 period moving average as well as our 106.94, with the liquid price progress towards our 106.32, where we do have another confluence of the 400 period moving average as well as the 106.32, thus increasing likelihood of finding support at that level. Have a brief look here at the daily chart before wrapping up, and on the daily chart we can see we're continuing this recovery here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We have a low, higher low, and we do appear to be forming a base for another higher low and continued progression here to the upside on US dollar Japanese yen. With that said, thanks for watching.